Okay, so you need to buy this Yamaha remote control. Well, you've come to the right place. Just click on the link right below this video, order this remote, and it ships today. Hi, I'm Carrie with electronicadventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remotes in our warehouse. So whatever kind of remote control you need, whether it's this Yamaha remote or something else, we have it and we'll ship it today or next business day. And the great thing about our remote controls is that they're brand new. This isn't used or refurbished, and it's not universal, which means there's no codes to program in. All you do is put the batteries in it, and it's ready to go. And when you shop with us, we want you to shop with confidence, so we offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. We also want to save you some money, so when you get to checkout and it asks for your coupon code, enter remote and the number 5, and we'll take $5 off your purchase. So again, if you need to order this brand new original Yamaha remote, just click on the link below, order it, it ships today. If you have any questions at all, call the 800 number that you see on the screen and one of our operators can assist you. Thank you for shopping with us at electronicadventure.com.